today we're listening to a babbling brook, and you probably can't hear the babbling brook, so that's cool. So, hey guys, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tembegile, and today we are going to be talking about meditation. This is in a series right now. In this first week, I want to talk about like intro things that you should know about meditation when you're getting into meditation. So, one thing I've often heard the question asked is like, what do you focus on during meditation? Like, how are you supposed to meditate? So, here are 3 things you can focus on during your meditation to help you stay meditating. Okay, one of them is like the babbling brook I'm playing, a sound, right? So, because when you meditate, you are trying to clear your mind, but you clear your mind by focusing on one thing at a time, because your mind becomes cluttered when you're focusing on like 15 things at once. I need to go to the bank, I have to pick up the kids, I gotta cut the grass, I gotta eat the food, all of these things. When you try to think of all of them at once, that's when your mind becomes cluttered, right? So your goal is to learn how to think a singular thought at one time. I'm thinking about this, okay, now I'm gonna think about this, okay, I'm going to think about this. Okay. So you're going to focus on this one singular sound. The sound can be a babbling brook, for example, if you have, an Alexa or Google or something like that can play you a little noise, or even YouTube. Come on, we're on YouTube. You don't need to even have advanced things. You could play that right there and just listen to that noise, right? So as your mind wanders, as a thought comes into your head, so here you are meditating, and then a thought comes into your head. I have to get groceries. You see the thought, okay, thank you, it goes away. Put your attention back on the sound. You're like, where's the sound? Where's the sound? Find it, listen. Okay, now I'm listening to the sound again. I have to do the dishes. Okay, thank you. Where's the sound? Where's the sound? See what I'm saying? So you're going to continue to allow your mind to go back to the sound, go back to the babbling brook, go back to the hum, and they should be light sounds that aren't too distracting. For example, like even birds chirping. Like if you, at a certain time, at the beginning of the day, there's these birds outside of my window that go on for like a consistent, probably at least 20 minutes straight. And one day I used them as my meditation, and they continue to chirp throughout the whole meditation until the end. So a consistent sound like that, or even the AC. If you turn on the AC, usually you can hear a hum or a fan that has a little hum, some light sound that's not too distracting that you can put your attention back on. Okay? That's one method. Your second method could be breath work, right? We talked about breathing in that 1-minute breath work exercise, but just focusing on your breathing, feeling how it feels when you inhale, all of the parts of your body that move when you do that. If it's your stomach, your chest, your shoulders, if your shoulders, whatever part of your body is moving as you breathe, just taking note of that, like feeling what it feels like to breathe, really. And that's where your attention would be. So you'd have a thought, oh, I'm hungry. Okay, thank you. Feel my stomach moving, going in, going out, going in, really feeling and taking part in every part of the breath and allowing yourself to be engaged in that, like you're in there. Get in that breath. Okay, and the third method you can use to help you in staying focused during meditation is guided meditations, like the meditations I make here or other people make, or you'll find on Headspace or Calm or whatever, what have you. But having a guide to literally guide you through the meditation. So you can find like general ones here on YouTube or on all these different apps. You can get meditations custom made for you to guide you personally through the meditation. I have guided meditations that I do. If you look at the link in my website, or other people do, anything that is just someone's voice telling you, okay, breathe here, think about this. This will help you stay focused during your meditation if you're not quite ready to do a completely silent meditation or just with the sounds, you know? So those are 3 things that can help you during your meditation. And a bonus tip, when you're meditating, try not to focus too much on trying to keep your mind clear, right? Because you are going to have thoughts, especially as you begin. And there'll be a lot more thoughts in the beginning than there will be at the end. But you have to allow yourself to be a beginner. Allow yourself to have those thoughts and just continue to bring yourself back. Okay, your mind wanders, bring it back, even if it wanders every breath. The other breath, every other breath, focus back on the breath. I'm breathing, I have to clean. I'm breathing, I have to eat. I'm breathing. Keep going back, and sooner or later you'll see how much less you have to redirect yourself. And another bonus, just make sure you stick it all the way through. Meditation is recommended 15 to 20 minutes a day, every day. So if you can just do that every day, the full 15 minutes, I know you're going to look over at the clock and be like, is it over? Is it over? Is it over? But don't do it. Keep your eyes closed and trust that the timer will go off in 15 minutes. It will. It will. Trust me. And sooner or later, you'll feel like those 15 minutes flew by, but you have to allow yourself to get used to just sitting in peace for 15 minutes straight, you know, and it'll get better and better. So stay consistent and try these methods. Get in my comments and let me know if anything worked for you, or let me know which one is your favorite meditation so far that I've done. I hope this helps, and I love you a lot. Peace and love to you.